guys, today I'm going to be putting this slime I made in my first ever video on YouTube in the freezer. I'm so excited to see what will happen to it in 10 minutes, because it's just, I can only, oh look at that, oh can you see that? Oh no you can. It's like weird, but it will probably, I don't know what will happen. Probably go lumpy. It's only for 10 minutes anyway, like, so. Gorgeous as long as I can get it. It looks really, really weird. So, put it in that freezer. For slime. Let's put it in. I'm gonna put it in. Ooh! Here's a good place. There's it in the freezer. Ready to go for 10 full minutes. So, bye bye. Oh, where are you now? Bye bye. It's closed. Now it's closed. Just have to wait.